Keeping your contact lenses clean is really important as cleaning your eyes. So today, let's talk about how to keep your contact lenses clean. You will need a few things first to get started: antibacterial soap, a lint-free towel, and a well-lit mirror. Wash your hands and dry them thoroughly before touching your contact lenses. Never allow any water to come in contact with your lenses, as this increases the risk of an eye infection. Hygiene is one of the most prominent factors. Do not let fingernails touch your lenses, as nails aren't only sharp, they are a paradise of germs and dirt. Be sure to follow the instructions on the bottle. Put a few drops of solution and rub gently from side to side for about 20 seconds. Once you've finished, put a few more drops onto the lens to rinse it. Do not use tap or sterile water, saliva or saline solution. Disinfect and properly clean your lenses. It's fundamental to use a fresh solution every time you clean your contact lenses. Put your lenses back into the storage case. Place your lens in your case and cover with fresh solution. Never topple old solution. Make sure you put the correct lens in the correct side of your right eye, and tell your left you should do this every day. If you don't leave them in the solution overnight, they won't be fully disinfected. If you're storing them for a long period of time, you should change the solution at least once every 3 days. A couple of more things to be kept in mind. Do not sleep, do not shower, and do not swim while wearing your lenses. Daily disposable lenses, just like the name suggests, you can dispose them off after wearing them. Monthly disposable lenses have to be cleaned every day after removing them. Daily disposable ones can be worn for a longer period, but monthly, fortnightly disposable lenses should not be worn for more than 8 to 10 hours a day. To take further care of your eyes, a few more tips. Keep blinking your eyes, as this helps to avoid dryness. Drink lots of water in the day to hydrate yourself. Do not sit under the draft of an air conditioner. Always wear the correct prescription. If you're unsure of anything, then pop into your nearest Lenskart store and they'll be happy to help clean your lenses. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, download the Lenskart app for the latest and coolest in eyewear, sunglasses, contact lenses and more. Lenskart has over 700 stores all over the country. Pay a visit to the store near you. Along with buying glasses, you can also get your eye checkup done. Want to try your favorite glasses at home? Select Home Trial. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.